Hello friends, welcome again. My name is Srinath and I am from Talk Easy. In today's lesson, let's learn the phrase take turns. But before we move on, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing. Now let's get going. Now let's understand what is take turns. It means to do something alternatively. You perform the act first and then you let the other person do it the next time, and this process gets repeated. So to talk about something like that, you can use the phrase take turns. Let me give you a few examples. My wife and I take turns cooking. My wife and I take turns cooking. Let's say my wife cooks the food during the weekdays and I cook the food on the weekends the first week. But the next week we take turns. It means she cooks the food on the weekends and I cook the food during the weekdays. So this is called taking turns. And let me tell you something, I don't really cook even if it's my turn. I just order something online and get through the day. I don't really love cooking, but I really like to eat. If someone cooks it for me, yes, I like eating. Now look at this example. My roommate and I take turns doing the household chores. My roommate and I take turns doing the household chores. Hope you know what are household chores. Stuff like doing the dishes, doing the laundry, sweeping the floor, mopping the floor, all this stuff, you can call them household chores. So when I say my roommate and I take turns doing the household chores, it means when I do the dishes one day, he does the dishes the next day, and the process gets repeated. Next example is we took turns taking pictures. We took turns taking pictures. It means when you pose, I take a picture of yours, and when I pose, you take a picture of mine. So this is called taking turns taking pictures. Only 3 children can play this game at a time, so others have to take turns. Only 3 children can play this game at a time, so others have to take turns. It means when the first 3 children finish playing their game, the other 3 children can start their game, and the process is repeated. So I hope you're confident enough to use this phrase when it's needed. Thank you so much for watching the lesson. I'll see you soon with more new stuff. Until then, bye-bye.